How was that then, Becky? Huh?
How was it?
Yeah.
It's quite nice actually. Bit hot now though. It's quite warm. But yeah, it's nice to be back out on the bikes. It's been a while. Last time was Finland.
Yeah, it's been a while. It's lovely though. Lovely day. Nice and mild. Thanks for joining us, guys. Me and Becky come out on a bike ride and going to cook something up by the river. It's been a while since we've been out. It's a pleasant day, like I said. I'm really chuffed with my bike. Paid £10 for it about 3 years ago. So it's quite a nice little touring bike. Steel frame. Carries quite a bit with the panniers. Yeah, it's a solid bike, a lot of fun for £10. So, gonna unpack my stuff and think about getting a brew on, I think. Hey Bex, nice brew. Becky's setting up her kit. She's got a nice, if you didn't know, she's got a nice new camera. Camera's that? Canon 80D.
Yep.
Oh, I got it right. And a nice tripod as well, really nice tripod. So she's really pleased with that, so she's going to do some nice shots, photography,
Sure am.
videoing. And Becky's running a Specialised jet. This is one of her first bikes before she started, you know, when we used to do mountain biking before she went on to road. Before she became national champion, so that's going strong. It's a nice bike. And the beauty of this bike as well, you can put panniers on it. So Becky might do that eventually. But we haven't been back to this spot for ages. Me and Becky come here. When did we come here? 2017?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. We had a camp out here, and we done a review of our sleeping bags. And we had nettle tea, didn't we?
Yeah, can't forget that.
So if you want to look back in our videos, we come here and we had a nice drop of nettle tea, and I had a bit of a dance. But I think my dancing's improved quite a lot since then. I've still got my GoPro on. I had that on the bike, so I switched over to this. Right, I'm going to stop chatting now and get some of my kit out. See, the beauty of them panniers, you can get a lot of gear in there, and I've got my hammock on the top as well. So if we can string that up, might even have an afternoon siesta. You having an afternoon siesta, Bex?
Might do.
And she looked professional, guys. Look at that.
All the gear, no idea.
That's me, isn't it? Look at that camera. So I've nicked the best spot I think between the two trees.
Say that again.
Becky's is a little bit tighter. Oh look, the sun's coming out.
Woo.
Everything looks better when the sun's out. Birds are singing. It's going to be a nice day, just chilling out by the river. Nice little spot, isn't it, Becky? Beautiful. It's about memories. It's nice revisiting old places. You sort of rekindle your old memories and see how the place has changed. So I'll just show me bike briefly, guys. Got a nice padded gel seat there. Inside here, got a few mechanical bits. A spanner and some tyre levers. In this main section. In this section, guys, got a spare pump. A little mini pump there. And a set of Allen keys. Bit of fire lighting material in that bag. I've got my little wool blanket. On the back here is pretty good because you've got 2 bottle containers, bottle holders, bottle pouches. So I got 1 in there and I carried 2 in the main compartment. Got my little frying pan there, got a nice little light on the back. That's a great little setup, and as you see earlier I had my hammock up here. You can put a waterproof jacket. I have got one, it's in the side pouch. Got my waterproof jacket there. So all in all, it's pretty kitted out, especially for £10. I've got another bottle holder there, spare pump. I think Becky's got the stove on. She's got a new stove, so she said she'd treat me to a coffee. You gonna treat me to a coffee, Bex, are you?
Yeah, you supply the water. And
well, there's plenty in the river there, girl.
I said fresh water.
That's a nice little stove you got there, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cute.
What would you call that?
Wild camping stove.
Wild camping stove. That's nice. I bought me trusty Kelly kettle and the hobo stove and the kit. So we're going to have a bit of a cook up and chill out today, I think. So Becky's made me a nice coffee. Drink that now. Cheers, Bex.
No worries. Do you want a little stir? No fishing.
I'm done. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to walk it. So alright guys, we're almost finished now. Just out through the field and then head home, back onto the road. So it's been a really nice time. Enjoy it, Bex?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It.
So a bit out of breath now after going up this hill. So a little bit further and we're done, home for dinner. So see you on the next one guys. Thanks for watching, enjoy the great outdoors.